Welcome to Study Guide BA. We are going to go over last week, quick overview of some things. Here's the ideas. Week 48 from a 15-minute time frame from ES. Just going to go over a quick overview so you can see the charts real fast. That was ES, the S&P 500. Let's go to NASDAQ. This is week 48. There's NASDAQ, NQ. And now we've got the Dow Jones YM 1 hour chart. Previous week median range was tested. So this is, if you see where the crosshairs meet, this is where my mouse is. Price is right here. When I posted this chart, it was a Monday. This gray box is the previous week low, previous week median range, and the previous week high is up here in gray. The yellow line is a 1 hour accumulation trend. The orange line is a 4 hour support level. And then up here we have a 4 hour resistance level and a distribution trend as well as 4 hour. So you see the price broke over the previous week's median and then came back down to retest it. There's also some 4 hour levels there as well, a 4 hour front side, 4 hour backside, and the weekly median. So there's a clear area for a retest. And it was enough liquidity there on that bounce to reach the previous week high, breaking those 4 hour levels. All right, so we're looking now at the S&P 500 ES. This is a 15-minute time frame. So we see once the chart was published, I could have easily marked this level here, which was a 15-minute backside level, the top of this distribution candle that was created November 21st at 12:45. If you put a horizontal ray line right there, it would be the perfect test at November 25th at 7:30, right at market open. Price dropped down right to that level to pick up orders and then continued to accumulate upwards to the weekly high. Didn't seem like it was stopped right here at the 1 hour resistance, but the 15-minute resistance looks like it was front ran tested, and they just used those two levels to bounce as support. Then came up here to the daily. So I think we broke above the daily actually. Yeah, there we go. So we're coming up here to a 4 hour resistance level come market open on Monday. We'll have to keep that in mind when we create a new chart. And then look at the hourly levels that have been created back here. Price might come down to these 15-minute levels again next week, around 6,738 price range. So we'll make a new chart and be mindful of those levels. So here we are, the Dow Jones YM 1 hour chart. Go ahead and push play here. And we can see that once price started, the black lines are yearly levels. So the yearly level is holding it down. It's also being supported by a 1 hour front side support level here. And once price got up above this is pink line, the pink box is last month's median range. So once it broke over that, it was a clear accumulation up into the weekly high, and we use the previous weekly high as a support to bounce up. And this is the 2 weeks ago previous weekly median range, which is now the current kind of resistance right now. So next week's chart, we need to be mindful of some hourly levels. This hourly accumulation trend is formed, and then some of the lower levels in case price needs to find support, probably off that monthly median or this black yearly level. We'll see. So those levels up top, the red is a daily resistance level at 48,025 and another hourly resistance level at 48,366. We'll keep those levels and extend them out for the next chart.